In this video, I will show you about how you can add Quillbot to Gmail. So here are some instructions about this guide. So first thing you will do that you will go to Chrome and go ahead extension, and after you will tap on extensions. Now you will search on Microsoft Edge Quillbot. After then you will tap on add Quillbot on extension, and after then you will go on your Gmail and tap on compose, and you can see their Quillbot option as well, and you can tap on Quillbot as well. And after then if you tap on Quillbot option, so you can see settings are there. Now you can see paraphrasing option are there and you can use it easily. So that's it. Hope this guide will be helpful for you. See you in the next video.